Another day, another video. It's 6:19 a.m. and today's Thursday. Let me see. Oh, Friday, 19th of July. And I'm going to our not that good. It's like stormy today, very windy and very cloudy, and yeah. And also I may or may not be going to the barrio this day. Let's just see. Woohoo! Fresh air! I haven't seen the latest weather forecast, so I'm not really sure if there's like a storm going on in the country or if this is just a low pressure area. I don't really know, but hopefully the sun will be back again and it will shine later because I miss him so much. I mean the sun. I miss the sun. Where's that? Look who I'm here with. Hi! That's my dog, my companion. It's so gorgeous. What if I'm going to like put my phone down and then let's see what will gonna happen. Alright. Okay guys, what is wrong with me? God, I feel so stupid, guys. Bumbaya. Psst. What you looking at? There's no chickens. No chickens. I might as well go home because there's no chickens here. I'm just like wasting my time here. I'm so bored. I wanna go home. Soar high, bird. So, oh, yeah. Fly high, soar high. You wanna eat chicken? What if dagiton ka na? What do you do when you're bored? Do you like eat ice cream? What am I saying? I don't know. What am I talking about? The sun is out. Yay! You wanna see it? Wait. Yes, sir. It's the sun. See? It's out. Yeah, it's out. I wonder where the chickens today, so let's go chicken hunting. Yep. Here they are. Damn. You guys. Oh my gosh. See the chickens? I want to do a cartwheel. You guys watch me do a cartwheel. Yep. My dog is bored as well. Rambo! Ah, toy! You wanna go? Oh, where come here. I told them that you're bored. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind? Guys, I want to play chess. I'll be playing chess the whole time here. Bye! Come on! Like crazy or fall in love. Nah, nah. But no discretion going away. Oh hi guys, it's now 5:02 in the afternoon, and I like my camera. It's because it's raining and there's like a water, like a droplet that went in the lens, so that's the reason why the camera is like this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So I ended up not going to the barrio, and I had a really like kind of sad, bad times earlier. Like, you know, guys, I went to the farm, and then when I went home, I was just like sad, you know. But yeah, so I'm headed home now. I'm from the Wi-Fi zone. Luckily, there's a Wi-Fi zone now in our place, so I no longer have to go to the barrio to just like go online. So that's a good thing. But yeah, first let me clear the lens because I'm looking really. What is going on? All right, in 5, 4, 3, ta-da! Oh my God, it's raining. I mean, a little bit, like sprinkling. So yes guys, I feel like this video is really short, but I still have to post this video for like, you know, for keeps, and for memories. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for 418 subscribers. Bye! Oh, before I forgot, there's an update about the enrollment process, and thank God you can enroll online. So I don't have to go to the university for enrollment. So yes, I hate this part, you know, school. But yeah, I'm grateful for that opportunity to go to school and go to college, and I don't want to take that privilege for granted. Yeah, that's it. Bye!